Hi, let's do a very short and simple facial reflexology routine. You can do this all by itself, or you can add it on to the beginning of another routine. I'm not even going to pull my hair up. I'm not going to take off my jewelry for this. And this shows you can do it anytime, anywhere. You can use your finger, or you can use a facial reflexology tool like what I have right here. Okay. Hand over your heart, taking a few long, slow breaths in and out. We will get started. We're going in these big circles right along the hairline at the top of the forehead. And this is hitting a bunch of spots all at one time. It's checking in if there's a spot along here and it's feeling extra tender as you do these little circles along here, then you can stop and really focus on that one spot. But we're doing this maybe 5 or 6 times. We're going back and forth. You can drag it back and forth as well too. You can use your finger. It doesn't matter what direction you do these circles in. Already right here, it feels really extra tender to me at the top right there. So go in whatever manner feels good to you and spend extra time in those spots that feel like they really, really need it. You can tell I need it because it just turned a little bit red right there. I love how it feels right up here against the hairline. You can kind of even get into the hairline a little bit if you want to take those circles big into your hairline. And then the next thing we're going to do is right here in your third eye. It's not between the eyes, it's just above the eyebrows, between the eyes. I'm just doing these little circles going around. Feels so good. Again, it doesn't matter what direction you do the circles. You can do a little bit right here if you need it. And then we're doing right in here on the side of the nose next to the eyes. Just up and down, back and forth and up and down. Here we go, the other side. Very good. Okay. And we're going to do this spot right here. It's the side of the nose, any direction you want. If you have a piercing, just go around it. I have one. And we're going to go right here under the eye, middle, kind of middle top cheek, like the apple of the cheek under the eye. And then we'll do this spot right here. The edge of the cheekbone right here next under the eye, under the temple, right at the part of that cheekbone at the top there. That one feels tender for me too. And we'll do that on the other side. Okay, and then we're going to go around the ear. Let's see if I can do this with my big earrings in. I can't. I can't. Here we go. You go down and up and around the ear. Sets in everything we just did. This nice, super quick general practice. It's that simple. That's simple. You do your little rub around the ears there, as we always do. Yeah, get the neck. Oh. Okay, that easy. Thank you for joining me. My name is Jessica Amos. Until next time, may you stay with yourself today and always. Bye.